Good afternoon, sir.
I am Marjorie M. Venturado.
I am Catherine Netherland.
The both of us will demonstrate the turtle, sir. Housekeeping. Housekeeping. When the guest didn't open the door, you can use the card so that you can enter. Put the card on all the lights. Close all the curtains. Remove all the bed accessories. Then put it on the cabinet. Tally the pillows. Then fold the comforter in 90 degrees. Put down the downy face, the breakfast menu on the top of the bed, the freebies, and the basket. Put the remote of the aircon and the TV on the top of the bed.
Get the bottle of water and the glass and put it on the side table. Get the slippers and the rug. Put it on the floor and the slippers facing the door. Prepare the bathroom. And then double check. Turn on the side lamp. And then turn off the lights.